Astrology, an ancient practice that uses the position of the stars and planets to interpret and understand human behavior and the course of events. At the core of astrology is the zodiac, a band of constellations that encircle the Earth and represent the 12 stjärntecken, star signs as they are called in Swedish. And today we are going to explore the zodiac signs because each of the 12 signs in the zodiac has a unique Swedish name. We just didn't opt for the Latin one, so I think this is gonna be a fun one. The first sign in the zodiac is väduren. Väduren. It means the ram, but is the Swedish name for Aries, which is also my sign. Väduren is known for its boldness, not baldness, but boldness, and its leadership qualities. Next up we have OXEN. OXEN, which means the ox or the bull, and it's the Swedish name for Taurus. OXEN is associated with stability and dependability, and the bull is a symbol of strength and endurance. TVILLINGARNA. TVILLINGARNA. This means the twins, and it's a Swedish name for Gemini. It's in the plural here, but I think if you're gonna ask someone for their sign, they are going to answer in the singular. So you're gonna hear jag är tvilling, for instance. Jag är tvilling. I am a twin. Tvillingarna are known for their doability and versatility, and I guess the twins represent this aspect of the sign very well. Next we have kräftan. Kräftan, which means the crayfish or Cancer. Cancer is associated with emotions and sensitivity, and is also a symbol for protection and retreat. The sign Leo in Swedish is LEJONET. LEJONET. And this literally means the lion. And LEJONET is known for its confidence and regal qualities, and a lion is really a fitting symbol for this, don't you think? Next up is Jungfrun. Jungfrun, which literally means the virgin, and I think you can guess what sign this is in English. It's Virgo. And Jungfrun is associated with practicality and attention to detail, and the Virgin represents purity and simplicity. The Swedish word for Libra is vågen. Vågen, and literally this means the scale. And vågen is associated with balance and harmony, and the scale is a symbol of justice and equality. Skorpionen, which means the scorpion, is the Swedish name for Scorpio. Skorpionen. And Skorpionen is known for its intensity and passion. I don't know why I almost laughed at that, but... Then we have skytten. Skytten. This literally means the shooter or the archer, and here we have the Swedish name for a Sagittarius. The Sagittarius is associated with adventure and exploration, and the archer represents the sign's pursuit of knowledge. Now we have a sign that literally means the stone goat. STENBOCKEN. STENBOCKEN, literally stone goat, but we are talking about the animal ibex here, and in English the name of this sign is the Capricorn. Stenbocken is known for its determination and discipline, and the goat is a symbol of perseverance and hard work. VATTUMANNEN. Vattumannen means the waterman, and It's a bit of a weird compound in Swedish because the waterman would be vattumannen in contemporary Swedish if you would construct this. But vattuman is probably an older compound, and that's why it sounds like this, and it's the name for the Aquarius. Vattumannen is associated with innovation and progress, and the symbol of the sign represents the contribution to society. And then we have FISKARNA. Literally, it could mean the fishers, but it's also literally the fishes, and here we should interpret it as the fishes. And this is the Swedish name for... let's Google. So apparently there are a number of ways to pronounce this. Pisces, Pisces, Piscus, whatever. You know what sign I'm talking about. And FISKARNA are known for their intuition and compassion. If you thought this was interesting, wait until you've seen this! Go on, click it. Suck in that juicy knowledge.